In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set normal view in Microsoft Word. When you're working on a document, the way it appears on your screen can make a big difference in how comfortable and productive you feel. Sometimes the page looks cluttered with margins, headers, footers, and page breaks, which can be distracting, especially when you're focused mainly on writing and editing text. That's where normal view comes in. In the latest versions of Microsoft Word, this feature is known as Draft View, but it serves the same purpose, giving you a simplified workspace that emphasizes content over layout. Let's walk through how to switch to this view. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is on the screen, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the View tab. This section controls how your document is displayed while you're working on it. It's important to remember that changing the view does not affect how your document prints. It only changes what you see on your screen. Within the View tab, you'll notice a group labeled Views. In that section, you'll see several options, including Read Mode, Print Layout, Web Layout, and Draft. To activate normal view, simply click on Draft. Immediately, you'll see a noticeable change. The page boundaries will no longer be visible, and elements such as headers and footers will disappear from view. The screen will shift to a more streamlined layout, allowing you to concentrate entirely on your text. This setting is particularly useful when you're editing lengthy documents, making revisions, or scrolling through large amounts of content, because it reduces visual distractions and can improve performance. Keep in mind that switching to Draft View does not remove or alter any formatting. Your margins, spacing, headers, and overall structure are still there. They're simply hidden from view to create a cleaner editing environment. Whenever you need to return to the traditional page layout, go back to the View tab and select Print Layout. This restores the full page appearance, showing exactly how your document will be printed. For an even faster method, look at the bottom right corner of the Word window. You'll find small view icons there. Clicking the Draft icon will instantly switch you into normal view without navigating through the ribbon. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to set normal view, also known as Draft View, in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.